Now we are having two very small words, and the second word is or, that are called the basic connectives. Now using these two words, sometimes we are going to discuss that also, that sense changes. Okay. Now simple sentences we are discussing about the statements. Now simple statement using and converts to a compound statement. Okay. So let's discuss the basic connective, that is the word and. Now we have already gone through the simple and compound statements. Now any two simple statements, any two simple statements can be connected by the word and. By the word and, any two simple statements can be converted by the word and to form a compound statement. Now this we have already done, that what is the difference between a simple statement and a compound statement. Now what we are discussing then, a little bit more depth for the word and. Now we are having an example. Now let us consider the statement two to one is divisible by 13 and 17. Now if this is a sentence for a English language, it's okay. If this is a sentence for a mathematical reasoning, then what we can do it, we can just break it into two simple sentences. We can write it now P two to one is divisible by 13, 1, and then Q 2 to 1 is divisible by 17. Now these two are the simple statements, and when we are using the word and, that becomes a compound statement. Means up to here we have already gone through, we have already done it. Now then why we are discussing it again? Now I just want to tell you that first of all we are using the word and as a connective in our English language, but everywhere and is not a connective. Now for example, we are having Barry and Harry are good friends. Here and is not a connective. Barry and Harry are good friends, and is not connective here. Second thing is, suppose we are having Barry opened the door and ran away. Now is and connective here? No, and is not connective here, because this shows an action. Okay, Barry opened the door and ran away. Here and, main sense of and is and then he ran away. Okay, so this was thing that we can use and as a connective as we are using in the English language, but everywhere it is not a connective. It is, we can't say that here in this sentence and is connective, in this sentence and is connective. Okay, now just coming for the mathematical part. Now in our daily life, in our day to day, we are using the word and. Okay, now and is used between two statements which have some kind of relation. Normally what we are doing, we are using, it is used between two statements which have some kind of relation. Now for example, we have just given an example here. 2 to 1 is divisible by 13 and 17. When we have broken it, both have become the statements, and one becomes 2 to 1 is divisible by 13. Okay, nice. 2 to 1 is divisible by 17. Okay, very nice. So it shows some relation with 13 and 17 of 2 to 1. Okay, but what happens when there is no relation? Okay, for example, now we can write it. In the case of reasoning, that is mathematical reasoning. Okay, in the case of reasoning, the relation between two sentences hardly matters. Okay. Now for example, we are having 25 is a multiple of 5 and the sky is blue. So for the reasoning part, this is okay. This is one sentence, this is another sentence, both are not linked with each other. Okay, earlier I gave you example here and there was some relation, but here there is no relation. So for the reasoning part, for the mathematical reasoning part, we can use and where there is no relation also. But if we are just taking out and from the sentence, then we are having two different sentences. 25 is a multiple of 5 and the sky is blue. Okay, so P, 25 is a multiple of 5, Q, the sky is blue, both have two different senses. And further, for the truth and the fallacy for these statements, we are going for a next module.